All right, guys, Greg here. I'm going to do a quick analysis on Polygon Matic to see where we stand with it. I don't have any. I've never invested into the coin or anything like that. It's a good solid coin. So um, maybe in the future I'll be doing that. I won't be doing it anytime soon. I'm going to wait for Matic's correction to finish. So we're just trying to figure out where Matic is on everything. So. Let's go out to the weekly chart, but I'll go to the daily chart first. Let me go to the daily chart. I have that. So with Matic has a 1, 2, and a 3 in its fourth wave correction. Um, I have to check to see if there's more data beyond here, but I have that as a wave 1, whether that ends there. That is the highest point, right above that one. And then a wave 2. And then you can go up. Here's the most momentum in this area. So this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave 3 right here. And then this I have it labeled ABC. That's open debate. That could be some sort of maybe the end of the fifth type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a motive type diagonal. So that's questionable. The RSI is saying that it could be a diagonal. So instead of A, B, C, D, it could be this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you could maybe say that fourth ended here and that's a fifth, but I don't like that because now the second wave should be equal to the fourth wave, more or less. It shouldn't. You don't want to have a short fourth wave like that, and then a really big second wave like that. That's not good for Elliott wave. So more than likely, just based off that, this is probably some sort of corrective move up rather than an impulse. So A, B, C, D, E, like that. And it would be my guess. So that's open for debate. I'd like to see somebody else's other opinion on what they may think that is. So anyhow, now we're in this area. So it completed its third wave and it swung down for an ABC and then correction and then did this type channeling here. I'm calling that a X wave. X waves can have that in it. And then it's coming down now to, it came down probably this ABC, another 3-wave move up, and go a little bit closer to see what that is in there. But let's check the volume, see what the volume tells us. Massive volume there, good volume here, here, and here. So likely, yeah, this is the end of the third. You can see from the volume, and then this lower volume is giving you, supporting that this is all corrective right here. So, okay. And let's see, let's go dig into this area. So here's a potential X wave right here. From this W up for an X and down for a Y. And it made an ABC here. And then I'm calling this another lower sequence X wave move. And then down for another Y potentially. And then this move here, you take a look at this. Let's see. So this is likely a ABC like that. Oh, I see. Matic's kind of in that same area doing this same thing, except it's just not as strong. So like Solana pumped up, Kusama pumped up, Phantom. This is more like maybe now Phantom's starting to take off. So it's in the same type of corrective move. Yeah, you see the declining volume. The momentum picked up right here. So you could say it's some sort of fifth wave. So likely this is a 3-wave move of some sort. So likely A, B, and a C. And then it moved down, looks like for another A, B, C. 3-wave move. And this is going to be I'm going to say something like along those lines. So your C wave, just to give you an idea, it can pop up to $1.85. It can go up here for that C move. Okay, so let's see. So this W, and then we have these ABCs in here. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Can't have an expanded flat out of that. So now it would be potential another WX, and that could have been the Y, and this would be right here your W up for your 1, 2, 3 your X, and then back down for your Y to complete Y. Like this. Something like that. Depends on where it's going to go. It's going to swing back down like that. I do have this box down here of 86 cents. Just going to depend on what Bitcoin's going to do and what's Bitcoin going to do. It could swing back down, but this all, I don't want to get anybody's hopes up. I mean, you probably could get some bullish counts out of this. I mean, the most bullish thing, it had a low here, a lower low here, a wimpy move off of there, didn't take that out, but it has now a higher low and then off. So, looking at this coin, it has the same type of move right in this area as all the other coins. And, if I had to go between bullishness and bearishness, long term, I'd be bullish on this coin. It just needs to finish its correction. And where, what's going to happen in this Y wave, more than likely you might see something like this, A, B, C. Okay. Best case scenario, it just pops back down to $1.30, and then worst case scenario, it goes down into that box. So, and then short term, your best case scenario is you might see $1.80 Matic or a little bit more. And then, just for it to correct this one, take a look at this one. So this would be a W, X. Yeah, so on that one, it could potentially reach 70 cents and even 58 cents, but a Y wave like that would correct there to there like that area. And let's see, where's the other WXY. Okay, let me go to the daily. If that's a WXY. So fib extension right here. Yeah, so the 1-to-1 is that area too. You know, I wouldn't expect it for that big one, WXY. Where's the big one? Yeah, right here. You know, I mean, it could, you know, at 1-to-1, 1 point, and down those areas. I don't expect that. And then what should happen is that you have that correction complete in this, you know, maybe in this area, right around there. And with a potential move of you know, this area. $8, 16, you know, and high as 30. Get his correction done. I mean, that's some serious, you know, potential gains. You know, an 8 or 9x potentially. So you pick up your Matic right here. Excuse me, pick up your Matic right here and ride that up. And just keep this in the back of your mind too, is that its cycle will be done. If I have this, all the data correct, that it will do a pretty swift correction down to at least there probably. So I'm gonna keep that in the back of your mind once you start writing that up. All right, guys, that's the end of my analysis of Polygon Matic. Thanks for watching. Peace.